You think you know the animal kingdom? Lions are fast, eagles see far, and octopuses are smart. But there are creatures with abilities so strange they sound like science fiction. A shrimp that creates a blast as hot as the sun. A fish that shoots water like a sniper. A bird that copies chainsaws. A goat that climbs vertical walls. And an eel that generates electricity powerful enough to light up a Christmas tree. Today, we are uncovering 5 incredible animal superpowers that will blow your mind. Secret number 1. The pistol shrimp creates a sonic blast hotter than the sun's surface. The pistol shrimp is only 2 inches long, but it packs the most powerful punch in the ocean. It has one oversized claw that snaps shut so fast it creates a cavitation bubble. When that bubble collapses, it produces a shockwave that reaches temperatures of 5,000 degrees Celsius, almost as hot as the surface of the sun. The bubble also creates a flash of light called sonoluminescence. The shockwave stuns or kills small fish, and the shrimp drags them into its burrow. The snap is so loud it can interfere with submarine sonar. The whole event lasts less than a millionth of a second, but the pressure is enough to crack glass. Scientists are studying the pistol shrimp to understand cavitation, which could lead to new ways of cleaning surfaces or even destroying tumors without heat. This tiny shrimp has one of the most violent abilities in nature, yet it is completely harmless to humans. There are over 600 species of pistol shrimp, and some live in cooperative burrows with goby fish. The goby acts as a lookout while the shrimp digs, and they share the shelter. Even their teamwork is amazing. The snap of a pistol shrimp can reach 218 decibels, which is louder than a gunshot. That is louder than the sound of a blue whale, and it is produced by a creature smaller than your thumb. Imagine the energy concentrated in such a tiny claw. Some species have a special claw that can be fired repeatedly, like a machine gun, creating a rapid series of bubbles. This is used both for hunting and for communication. Researchers have filmed the bubble collapse at over 40,000 frames per second to understand the physics. The light produced is too faint to see with the naked eye, but it exists. This phenomenon, sonoluminescence, is still not fully understood. It involves converting sound energy into light, something that defies simple explanation. The pistol shrimp is living proof that nature's engineering is beyond anything humans have built. Secret number 2. The alpine ibex climbs near vertical dam walls. The alpine ibex is a wild goat that lives in the European Alps. It is famous for its ability to scale almost vertical rock faces. But they have also been seen climbing the steep walls of a hydroelectric dam in Italy. The dam is nearly 50 meters tall and almost completely straight up. The ibex use tiny ledges, sometimes only 1 centimeter wide, to slowly make their way up. They do this to lick the salt and minerals that seep out of the stone. Their hooves have a soft, rubbery center that grips the rock and a hard outer rim that locks into small cracks. They can jump up to 2 meters between ledges. No other mammal can climb such extreme vertical surfaces. This ability helps them escape predators and reach food that other animals cannot. Watching an ibex on a dam wall is terrifying and mesmerizing at the same time. The ibex population almost went extinct in the 19th century, but conservation efforts brought them back. Today, thousands live in the Alps, and their climbing skills continue to surprise scientists. They have even been seen climbing trees when rocks are not available. The ibex's hooves are specially adapted with a concave shape that creates suction. The soft pad grips like rubber, while the hard rim digs into the smallest imperfections. This is the same principle behind climbing shoes used by mountaineers. The ibex also has incredible balance, with a low center of gravity and a flexible spine. They can stand on ledges that are barely wider than a coin. When they jump, they can rotate their hooves to land on tiny projections. Their vision is also exceptional, allowing them to spot ledges that humans would miss. Young ibex learn to climb by following their mothers, and they practice for months before attempting the most dangerous walls. This skill is not instinct, it is learned and refined. The ibex that live near the dam have become tourist attractions, but they also serve as a reminder of how adaptable wild animals can be. They have turned a human-made structure into a vertical playground. Scientists are studying their climbing technique to design better robots for rough terrain. The ibex might inspire the next generation of search and rescue machines. Secret number 3. The lyrebird can mimic almost any sound. The lyrebird is an Australian bird famous for its incredible vocal mimicry. It does not just copy other birds. It copies chainsaws, car alarms, camera shutters, and even human speech. One lyrebird in captivity learned to imitate a crying baby perfectly. In the wild, male lyrebirds incorporate these sounds into their complex mating songs. They can remember and reproduce dozens of different noises with remarkable accuracy. The syrinx, their voice box, is incredibly flexible, allowing them to produce 2 independent sounds at once. Scientists believe they mimic to impress females. A male with a larger repertoire is more attractive. Some lyrebirds have been recorded mimicking the sounds of logging equipment, which is both amazing and a sad reminder of habitat loss. This bird is the ultimate audio copycat. The lyrebird's tail feathers, shaped like a lyre, an ancient musical instrument, give it its name. During courtship, the male fans out his tail and dances while singing. He can also mimic other lyrebirds to confuse rivals. Some individuals have been known to learn over 20 different calls, making them one of the most versatile vocalists in the bird world. The lyrebird's brain has specialized regions for auditory memory and motor control. They can learn a new sound after hearing it only a few times. Some lyrebirds have been recorded mimicking camera shutters from tourists, car alarms from passing vehicles, and even the sound of a chainsaw from a nearby logging operation. They integrate these sounds into their songs seamlessly. The female lyrebird also mimics, but not as elaborately. She uses mimicry to warn of predators or to defend territory. The lyrebird's ability is so precise that audio experts cannot tell the difference between the original sound and the mimic. In fact, recordings of lyrebirds have been mistaken for actual chainsaws and camera shutters. This bird is a living audio recorder. Some researchers believe that the lyrebird's mimicry is not just for mating, but also for learning about the environment. By mimicking the sounds of predators or dangerous human activities, they may be communicating threats to others. There is still much to learn about these incredible birds. Secret number 4. The electric eel can generate up to 860 volts. Despite its name, the electric eel is actually a type of knife fish, not a true eel. It lives in the murky waters of the Amazon and Orinoco rivers. It has 3 pairs of electric organs that produce low, high, and very high voltage discharges. A large electric eel can produce a shock of up to 860 volts and 1 ampere of current, enough to stun a horse. It uses low voltage for sensing its environment and high voltage for hunting. The eel can also jump out of the water to deliver shocks to predators above the surface, pressing its chin against the threat to increase the current. The shock is not usually lethal to humans, but it can cause muscle paralysis and drowning. Scientists have studied the eel's electric organs to develop better batteries and medical implants. This fish is a living battery. Electric eels can grow up to 2.5 meters, 8 feet, long and weigh 20 kilograms, 44 pounds. They breathe air and must surface every 10 minutes. Their electric organs take up about 80% of their body length. Remarkably, they can control the intensity of their shock, using weaker pulses to navigate and stronger pulses to hunt. They often hunt in groups, coordinating their shocks to herd fish into shallow water. The electric eel's nervous system is incredibly specialized. It sends signals to the electric organs at the same time, creating a synchronized discharge. The voltage is not constant. It varies depending on the eel's size and health. A small eel might produce only 100 volts, but a large one can produce nearly 900 volts. The eel can also vary the frequency of its pulses, from a few per second to several hundred per second for locating prey. This is called electrolocation. The eel emits low-voltage pulses and reads the distortions in the electric field caused by nearby objects. This works even in complete darkness or murky water where vision is useless. The electric eel's body is covered in special sensors that detect these distortions. When it finds prey, it switches to high-voltage mode and delivers a stunning shock. The eel can also use its shock to defend itself from predators like caimans and large fish. There have been reports of electric eels killing horses that waded into their territory, giving them their name. In 1800, the The naturalist Alexander von Humboldt described an attack where electric eels leaped out of the water to shock horses. For a long time, this was thought to be an exaggeration, but modern research has confirmed that electric eels do indeed leap to deliver shocks. They press their chin against the target to complete the circuit, delivering a more powerful shock. This behavior is unique among electric fish. The electric eel's organs are arranged in layers, like batteries in series, to increase voltage. They are made of modified muscle cells called electrocytes. Each electrocyte produces a small voltage, but stacked together they create the powerful shock. Scientists have used the electric eel as a model for designing flexible batteries and soft robotics. The eel's ability to generate electricity without overheating is also being studied for energy storage. Secret number 5. The archerfish shoots water jets to catch prey. The archerfish is a master marksman. It lives in mangrove swamps and rivers in Southeast Asia and Australia. It hunts insects and small animals sitting on branches above the water. The fish shoots a jet of water from its mouth with incredible accuracy. It can hit a target up to 2 meters away. The jet is formed by pressing its tongue against a groove in the roof of its mouth. The fish compensates for the refraction of light as the water passes through air, a calculation that involves trigonometry. The impact knocks the insect into the water, where the fish grabs it. Archerfish can even adjust the force of the jet depending on the size of the prey. They learn from experience and can hit moving targets. This ability is so precise that some archerfish have been known to shoot down insects with a single drop of water. They are the snipers of the fish world. Archerfish often hunt in schools, and they can also learn by watching other archerfish. If one fish misses, others adjust their aim. This social learning is rare in fish. Young archerfish are not born with perfect aim. They practice for months, honing their skills. Some have been recorded shooting at targets up to 3 meters away. They also use their jets to uncover hidden prey in crevices. The archerfish's brain has specialized regions for calculating distance and refraction, making it a living computer. The fish's mouth is shaped like a barrel, and the tongue acts as a valve. By contracting muscles, the fish forces a stream of water through a narrow channel, accelerating it to high speed. The jet can reach speeds of up to 4 meters per second. The archerfish can also adjust the angle of its shot by tilting its head. It takes into account the height of the prey and the distance to the water surface. The fish must also account for the fact that light bends when it passes from air to water. The prey appears in a different position than it actually is. The archerfish does this calculation instantly, using a specialized neural circuit. Some archerfish have been observed shooting jets at prey that is not directly above them, but at an angle. They can even shoot down prey that is behind leaves or other obstacles by adjusting the trajectory. This requires predictive aiming, similar to a human shooting a basketball. The archerfish learns from each miss and improves. They can also work together to take down larger prey. One fish shoots the prey and another waits below to catch it. This cooperative hunting is rare among fish. The archerfish's ability has inspired roboticists to create water jet systems for cleaning and cutting. It is also studied for insights into sensor-motor integration. The archerfish can also use its water jet to flip over small rocks or objects on the water surface to find hidden food. They are curious and will investigate new objects. Some have been trained to shoot at specific targets for food rewards, showing high intelligence. These 5 incredible animal superpowers show that nature is stranger than fiction. A shrimp that creates solar hot bubbles, a goat that scales vertical dams, a bird that mimics chainsaws, an eel that generates electricity, and a fish that shoots water with sniper precision. The animal kingdom is full of wonders that scientists are only beginning to understand. From the microscopic pistol shrimp to the massive electric eel, every creature has evolved unique abilities to survive. These adaptations are the result of millions of years of natural selection. They are not magic, they are biology. But they are so extraordinary that they seem like magic. Next time you see a tiny shrimp or a fish in an aquarium, remember that they may be hiding superpowers beyond your imagination. The natural world is full of surprises, and we have only scratched the surface. There are millions of species left to discover, each with its own secrets. So stay curious, keep learning, and never stop being amazed by the creatures we share this planet with. Subscribe for more mind-blowing science facts. Check out my Ko-Fi page for ebooks and more. And follow me on X at ScienceSnack for daily science facts. Thanks for watching. ScienceSnack out.